seeing monsters.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. My name is Sarah for those who don't know me, and if you are a regular member of this family, thank you so much for your constant support. In today's video I'll be cleaning my kitchen, and you guys, this is a ton of motivation, so don't miss out. And I also want to share with you guys that remember on my previous video I said I was just getting tired of shooting. I was really tired, I'm not going to lie to you guys, and I was surprised that Francis watched my previous video and he was like to me, am I really like tired of shooting, or is the equipments that are just making me to be tired? I was like, I'm just tired, like I'm just tired of shooting. So today came with this equipment that I believe every content creator must have. You guys, I really can't believe, even when he came he bought two and he was like he'll keep one for himself. I don't know what he's gonna do with that, because he's not even a content creator. He said no, he's going to dismantle everything and make it a lamp when he's working, so the light can just go on whatever that is fixing. So I will see about that, but you guys do continue to watch. So I will share a clip where you guys will see the equipment. It's really a must have if you are a content creator.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So I don't know what to call this equipment, honestly, because I know that tri means three, and the reason why they call these things tripods is because they have three legs, but this one, it does not have legs. I don't know what to call it, so let me share with you guys, and kindly comment down below and let me know how you call that, because even remember on my early January I mentioned my yearly resolutions, and I said I want to start a podcast. I think this can also work for that, you guys. Like either way, let me just share with you how the equipment looks like, and if you know the name of that equipment, kindly comment down below so I can also be in the light. That's the equipment. So if you know the name of that equipment, just comment down below and let me know. You guys remember in my previous video I was telling you that I was just tired of shooting. So truly speaking, I don't know if I was mentally exhausted or I was just tired or I was just lazy. But I remember 3 weeks ago I was telling Francis that, man, I just feel so lazy, because you guys, if I was feeling like that, actually I was feeling like that, not if I was feeling like that, and it got to a point where like I would clean the house like twice in a week because I did not have strength. And the medication that I've shown you guys that was on top of the microwave is actually omega-3 and is it ferrous sulfate, something like that, and what's this one, immune system booster, immune no not immune advance, yeah, it's vitamin C, selenium and zinc, and then omega-3 that has EPA, DHA, fish oil concentrate, whatever. And yeah, it was ferrous sulfate, I was right. So I just went to double check. So you guys, that week, there was a week, it was really hectic for me. It was really hectic. So I told Francis that I'm not feeling well. I just feel so lazy. I'm just tired actually. I feel like relaxing. And that time I did relax, but after some time I'm like, man, there's something wrong. I'm just tired. And then he was like, okay, what do you want me to do? I said, can you get me some pills? Go to the pharmacy and just tell them how I feel. Like I'm just feeling like this. And then they were like, am I pregnant? Francis was like, no, she's not pregnant. Actually, this is how she's feeling. So they gave me those ones, and you guys, they are working. Like the strength that I have, the energy that I have. And it's funny because the omega-3, we had it since last year, late last year, but we never like took it like now and then. So I just decided from last week that, you know what, every day I'm gonna take this medication. Just try to be very serious with it, because I'm not really that kind of person who follow up with the medication. I really suck when it comes to that. And just comment down below when you are tired, when you are like so exhausted, what do you take? Because I know there are people who just take energy drinks. They're not working for me anymore. Besides, I don't remember the last time I took energy drink, because you guys know I'm very careful with the things that I consume, because you know, as someone who's breastfeeding, you just have to check everything that you are consuming. So I think the last time I took energy drink was when I was still a student. So yeah, just comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys are still enjoying this content, and kindly share this video, like it, and I would really appreciate it.
Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So that was Abigail. She wanted to say something to you guys. She just wanted to tell you that she can count 1 to 10, and I'm very grateful for that. And she knows days of the week as well, Monday to Sunday. She knows A up to Z. She knows primary colors, secondary colors, and if you ask her which ones is primary colors, she will tell you. And the only thing that I've not checked with her is what you call this the months of the year. Yes, the months of the year. And she can pray now. She can pray. So I'm just grateful, and I don't know how to express the gratitude that I have that my daughter is growing and she's learning new things. You guys, it's so, most of the times now when she comes from school, she will eat and she will tell me, Mommy, I want to write. I have to give her the book and the pen and the coloring pencils. That's what she does after school. And then on weekends, that's when she plays with her toys. So I'm really grateful for that, and that now we can have a decent conversation, But she has this thing of lying. I don't know if that one is coming from. We can have an argument. Maybe she wants something. I say no. She goes to the father and say, I beat her. You guys, and the father will be like, Mama didn't beat you. Now she will come back to me. She say, Papa beat her. So that's the kind of lies that she like. I really don't like those things, because you have to tell her that stop lying, you are wrong. Papa did not do that. So for her, when she's doing that, if she comes to me, she say, Papa beat me, I must go to Papa and say, Papa will beat you. Don't beat my daughter, But I think it's the stage that she's in right now. And if you are a mom, you have a baby, you guys, these kids that were born during COVID, they're just miracles. I'm not going to lie. I can't believe my daughter is turning 3 years this year. I'm just so grateful, you guys. Like, I'm so grateful to a point where I don't know how to even say this, but you know what? I am blessed. I'm grateful, and I'm not going to lie. I know other parents will say, but Sarah, no. But my daughter is intelligent, you guys. My daughter is really intelligent. I'm not going to lie. I'm proud of her. Like, I'm really proud of her for that. I'm really proud of her. And another thing that I want to share with you guys is that the other day she wanted bubble gum. So we went to the shop. She was like, Mommy, check this about her. That, you know what she does with the chippies? She chows it once the sugar is out. She starts to build a small what's this thing? She calls it a teddy bear. Meaning she takes the chippies, she takes the bubble gum, and she wants to build a teddy bear with the bubble gum. So I noticed that I need to buy clay for her. So I'm really gonna do that. I don't know, next week or the week after. I'm like, she's growing, guys. She is really growing. I'm so happy. And my sister, she has a newborn. The way Abigail holds that newborn, she's like, oh, Mommy, look at the baby. Oh, the baby's so cute. Oh, look at the heads, Mommy. Oh, look at the clothes. And then she'll be like to my sister, oh, Mama, why are you beating the baby? The baby's crying. So those are the kind of moments that I'm enjoying with this girl. So guys, thank you so much for watching this one, and do continue to watch this video, and I'll definitely see you guys on my next one. This is my channel, and why are you saying bye?
My channel
It's my channel. It's Mommy's channel. Say hello, guys. Welcome to my channel.
That's your channel.
So yes, guys, I'll definitely see you guys on my next one, and
Bye.
bye. Yeah, bye.
To tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette.